Hey there, it's Dr. Jim again. As you know, I'm very passionate about CBD. Study it, wrote a book on it, Living Longer and Stronger with CBD on Amazon and sapphire-essentials.com. But I'm always digging. It's not enough that I wrote a book. I continue doing the research almost on a daily basis, always looking for new studies internationally about CBD and its many health benefits. Lately, I've been looking into CBN, CBG, and others, and finding these are other miraculous molecules that are showing good health benefits. But today's topic is CBD and behavioral disturbances associated with Alzheimer's disease. Why? Well, I'm a gerontologist. I'm fascinated with Alzheimer's disease. I hope we come up with better treatments. A new medication has just received FDA approval. We'll see. There's a lot of controversy around it. But I am very interested in what CBD can do for people who have Alzheimer's disease, and particularly those who have behavioral issues, wandering, screaming, yelling, eloping, sometimes getting out of the place wherever they might live. But we all know that Alzheimer's disease is what? It's incurable, it's irreversible, it's progressive, it's a neurodegenerative disorder that accounts for between 60 to 80% of dementia cases around the entire world. It's a part of the aging not well process. In the United States, 13.8 million people will develop Alzheimer's disease by 2050, and that is not that far from now. The majority will experience a range of neuropsychiatric symptoms for which there are absolutely no FDA-approved medications or treatments. Medications are pretty much used off-label. It is therefore hoped that science will develop a CBD-based medication, it's plant-based, to naturally and safely treat these symptoms. So, what are some neuropsychiatric symptoms of Alzheimer's disease? These affect almost 97%, we might as well say 100%, but the literature tells me 97% of people diagnosed with Alzheimer's will experience things like anxiety, aggression, restlessness, agitation, combativeness, and so on. This can lead to a lot of caregiver burnout and burden, and families who will start seeking nursing home placement sooner because the behaviors may be too overwhelming and too much for them to handle in the home. Anxiety and agitation alone affect between 25 to 70% of people with Alzheimer's disease. Current treatments, what are we using? Well, like I said, there are no FDA-approved medications to treat neuropsychiatric symptoms. We're using off-label antipsychotic drugs. And right on that label is an FDA warning of possible death because there has been an increase in mortality among older adults diagnosed with various forms of dementia, but Alzheimer's disease in particular. Other treatments include various behavioral therapies that are time-sensitive and have to be provided by trained professionals. Not everybody's equipped to do that. It's obvious that a safe treatment is sorely needed for people who are diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease and have neuropsychiatric disturbances. Now, here is the really interesting part. How does CBD work to reduce behaviors? That's the simple question. Cannabidiol, or CBD, has been found to have modifying effects within the endocannabinoid system. All right, that's general. The analogy often used is that CBD is the key, tiny little molecular keys that open and unlock the endocannabinoid system's ability to regulate major systems of the body and the brain and to bring homeostasis or balance. That's a very layman's type of a description. Specifically, now don't go to sleep on me here, little biology lesson. CBD is thought to moderate effects of the 5-HT serotonergic system. Mu opioid receptors and TRPV1 and TRPV2 receptors, so who cares? They all regulate mood, anxiety, and depression, and they play an important role in protecting brain cells from dying. That's why those are important. So those receptors, including serotonergic receptors, which are responsible for mood behaviors, are waiting. They're like little cups, and they're waiting for CBD to fill that cup and go to work to reduce behaviors. It's also known, by the way, to have neuroprotective properties, CBD, as well as the ability to reduce tau buildup, which is one of the proteins responsible for Alzheimer's. And we're just finding phenomenal results now in research around the world. So there you have it. Short and sweet, CBD and behavioral disturbances associated with Alzheimer's disease. Read the article if you want to. You know where to find it. You know where to find me. Keep coming back for more. I'm Dr. Jim. See you soon. Thank you for watching the video. And I'd like to show you my new book, Living Longer and Stronger with CBD. Took me about a year and a half to write as I scanned hundreds of articles in prestigious journals, peer-reviewed medical studies, examining the effects of CBD for various physical conditions, emotional and mental issues, and neurodegenerative conditions. And I condensed all of those findings into one book. I believe that there's something in here for everyone. So if you're interested, follow the link to the book on Amazon. Thank you so much.